Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix blank icons on Windows 11. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. The first thing you need to do is you have to go to the run option. For that, go to the start button and right click on it. Then you can see run here. Then type %appdata%. Then tap on OK. Now this will lead you to this interface. Now tap on app data from here. Now go to the local option, then scroll down until you find this icon. So you can see these are the icon cache, but if you do not find this, you have to tap on this view button, then tap on the show button and make sure you check this hidden items. You can see it is checked, so these are actually hidden. So after that you have to just select it and you have to delete it. I'm not gonna delete it as I don't have that problem. After that you have to do another thing. You have to right click on it again, then go to the task manager. Now there are many options here. Go to the type option here and search for Windows Explorer. You can see here it is. Just right click on it and you have to restart it, and after that there will be no blank icon. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because we always provide the legal and valid information and tutorial. See you in the next one.